Okay, so my dear brothers and sisters, I welcome you all on Weekend Institute. Every day we have a new host, and they always come with a lot of preparation, with enthusiasm, and they come with some new ideas to share with us. And that's our pleasure, and that's why we improve our knowledge. So, in this channel, in this series, we have a very knowledgeable teacher, lecturer on our platform, Jaya Madam from Karnataka. So today she is our host. So I invite Jaya Madam to be host on this platform. So welcome Jaya Madam, and now you can start your program.
Okay, thank you, sir. Dear friends, welcome to all. And in this institute, institute. So I welcome you all. I am very thankful to Prakash sir. Because of him, we are here. Because he has started this institution, and he has given the he has provided us to do all these things. Otherwise there will not be, even we can't dream also. I never dreamt this. One day I am going to host this type of program. I never dreamt that. So thank you, sir. And so today in this program, first of all, I would like to request Papia Tripura Madam to invite all. So she's going to give a welcome speech. Madam?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much for giving me the chance to welcome everyone. So good evening, everyone. And again, I welcome you all on our another session of online class, Let's Talk in English with Non-Native English Speakers, which is going to be hosted by our knowledgeable and our respected teacher, Jaya ma'am. So, who always helps us to improve ourselves, sometimes as a mentor and sometimes as a feedback speaker. So, I welcome everyone to get ready to learn something new and to enjoy this session. So, my special welcome to our Honorable Prakash sir, who is the organizer of the show, and also Pankaj sir, the co-organizer of the show. And also, I welcome all the participants of our show. So I hope you all will enjoy our today's session with Jaya ma'am. So I want to hand over the program to Jaya ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Papia Tripura Madam, and with all these slogans. And now I want to, sir, please give me permission to.
Yeah, try it. It is already given.
So this is today's program, and once again I welcome to all. And to begin with, already I have shared some of the my topic in the WhatsApp group, and according to that, first I go with English proverbs. And you know, proverbs are very useful in our day-to-day life. And here I have given some of the proverbs, and now I request each one of our participants to you have to explain.
Your screen.
You can't see, sir?
Yes, sir.
You can see, no?
No,
No,
not
ma'am.
visible.
No, ma'am. No.
Not visible. Why? What happened? Visible. Why?
Try again.
Share. Okay.
There's a share option. Share option.
Share
After that,
option.
skin.
Yes.
After the skin.
Okay. 1 minute. Now you can see now.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yeah, ma'am. Right.
Okay. So this is my first session, no, and I am a little bit very weak in handling computer. So okay, so here I have given some of the proverbs, and so I request each one of you, you have to explain it, and you can choose any one, and so you can explain it. First one, a bad workman blames his tools. Time and tide wait for none. Where there is a will, there is a way. Every cloud has a silver lining. All that glitters is not gold, and an idle mind is a devil's workshop. And first, I request our senior teacher. I think she's senior, Shanta madam. Madam, can you go with the first one, or you want to choose as you like?
All that glitters. Good evening, all of you. Good evening, sir. Good evening, all of you. All that glitters is not. I will go with that.
Okay. You want to take this one? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
Okay.
here, generally, when we see any people, we should not judge with their appearance or with their talks. So in that manner, we will use that one. Generally, all that glitters is not gold. Means gold and bronze also looks like. We know, we women know very well. Generally, if we don't have gold ornaments, generally nowadays everyone going to wear 1 gram gold ornaments. So they are look like as gold, but they are not gold. They look like gold and bronze are look like same, but they don't have bronze ornaments don't have value. So with the appearance, we should not select anyone or select any person also for anything. We should not believe with their appearance. Okay, thank you.
Okay. Thank you. So you have explained it very wonderfully, and now I request Nageshwar Rao sir. So can you explain any one of these? Nageshwar Rao sir.
Hello.
Hello. Hello,
Yes.
sir.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Am I audible?
Yeah. Audible, sir.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. So I choose every cloud has a silver lining.
Lining. Okay.
In every bad situation, there is a good thing also is there. For example, I'm going to tell you one story. So some children are there. They are participating one running race. So all of the children, one girl is physically challenged. She also tries to participating in that running race. So everyone thinks she is participating race because she never wins the race. The girl has some confidence. She wished to participate in that program, so she participated in that program. She maybe so she lost her running race, but it's a thing we say that situation to her, because everyone just say that you do not win the race, why do you participate in that race? But uh, on the other hand, she has some confidence and she got some experience. You can say that two things are bad thing and good thing. Behind bad thing, the good thing is she has confidence and she has some experience. Maybe in some day she definitely win the running race. So there are two things in this proverb. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you, sir. So here every cloud has a silver lining. So whenever there is a sorrows and or joys, they are all together. After the joy, again there will be a joy. Okay, thank you, sir. And now I call uh, Ruchi madam is there. I can't see anyone here. Ruchi madam is there. Shubhashri madam is there.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I am here.
Okay. Madam, can you explain any one of these?
Yeah,
Already
ma'am.
they
Yeah,
have
ma'am.
explained it's over. All that
Yeah.
glitters is over. And okay.
Yeah. Okay, I would like to choose an ideal mind is a devil's workshop. Okay. Is it okay,
Okay.
ma'am?
Okay. You can take anyone.
Okay. This proverb means that when we have nothing to do, then the bad things comes in our mind. We normally use our brain in not in a constructive way. We do use our brain in a destructive way. Then that to the more what we can do, we have to suppose we have to engage our mind in a constructive way, so that so that much I can explain now.
Okay. Thank you, madam, for your explanation. And now I want to call Nityanand sir. Nityanand is
Yeah, ma'am.
okay.
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Okay. Only few.
Okay, so I want to choose all that glister is not gold.
Okay.
So okay, so uh, I want to tell something about that. Means every glister is not gold. That means all 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 glister is not gold. Means some metals also like gold, but they are actually not gold. And in another way, I have to say some people also their dressing is means human being, and their dressing also the another thing means actually some people's like they are looking like gentlemen, but actually they are not gentlemen. So also I want to share one event. When I was going went to railway station, that time I was a person that is wearing means gentle dress, but actually after some hours, like 2 or 3 hours, I meet him, and then I realize actually what he's showing. Actually they have different, and he has different culture. So and the different means they're totally different. He totally different from his dressing sense. So okay, ma'am, thank you.
Okay. Thank you, sir. So now I will go to Kayur, Gujarat. Kayur,
Yes,
sir.
yes.
Okay. Are you here? Okay.
Okay, so
Sir,
I choose a bad workman blames his tool. So
yes. Okay, thank you.
always there are many people who doesn't have their skill so much, so they always blames their tools. This sentence says us that if you make any mistake, always accept it. Don't say that this mistake is not happened by you, or blame on others. Always accept what you done or what you do in your life. Any mistake you do in your life, always accept it. Because if we accept our mistake, we can see in ourselves and we can solve that mistake, or by that we can sharpen our skills, or sharpen our self to get success in our life. So yeah, that's all.
Yeah, sir. Correct. You are whatever you have explained. It is bad workman means the person who has no skill, and he always blames that but his tool is not correct, and this is not correct, that is not correct, and he never brings or he never accepts his. He has no that efficiency, and whenever we fail, so always we blame others. They are not correct, this is not, situation is not correct. So okay, in that way it is used.
Yes, ma'am.
So now I want to call, then who is left? Shrivani is there? I think she is not there.
No, Shivani
uh,
not here.
then Pia madam over? No, she is not over, no?
Papaya
Yeah,
is here.
I left. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Ha.
So I want to go with the second one, time and tide wait for none. So I think it is most commonly said proverb that time and tide wait for none. It means that time is very important. That if any time passes, it never comes again. So for all of us, time very important, and it is same for the tide. So time and tide waits for none means what is gone means it's gone. So I think it is.
Yeah, okay, thank you. And then Geeta madam is not there. Kalpana madam, Geeta madam, I can't see. Don't, then who is left? Who wants to explain next?
May I, ma'am?
Okay, sir. Yogesh Mishra, yes.
May I, ma'am?
No, first let him to explain, Yogesh Mishra. Then you can explain. Okay.
Yes, okay. Ma'am, I would like to choose the third one. Where there is a will, there is a way. If the all door has been shut down, then if you lose your will, then you will lose everything. So first you have to create. First you have to believe on your. First you have to faith on your will. Then yes, we can do this thing, and for the will, then we can get the belief on that thing. From the belief, we get the faith, and then after that we get the way to come out from that situation. So never ever lose your faith or will. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Okay. Thank you. Then who wants to explain next?
Okay, may I? May I,
Okay,
ma'am?
okay.
I'm Kinjal,
Okay.
ma'am.
Kinjal madam. Okay,
No, Ruchi. Okay, ma'am.
Ruchi ma'am.
So third one is
Okay,
where
now.
there is a will. Okay. Someone speak. Okay, then you speak. Hello. Someone is there. Yes, Kinjal, you continue.
Okay,
No,
Kinjal,
ma'am, I'm
you can.
Kinjal. Yeah,
Okay, Kinjal,
Okay.
you take.
So third one is where there is a will.
Okay.
Where there is a will, there is a way. So I think if we have any wish to we have any wish for fulfill, so it's complete. So because we have wish and we're doing some hard work and we want to fulfill our wish. So we always try to complete our wish. So that time we also have some way for fulfill our wish. Is right, ma'am?
Okay, thank you. You're right. Then Ruchi ma'am.
Yeah. Yes. Okay. I choose fourth one. Every cloud has a silver lining. Every cloud has a silver lining. That's very true. A very good example for these days. These days are pandemic days, and there are so many opportunities are there beside this pandemic. We have this online class also, and many business and many medical equipments like this type of business
very good for this time. So we can say every cloud has a silver lining. That's it.
Okay, thank you. Okay, please speaking.
Yeah, I'm Vaishali.
Okay, Vaishali. Huh.
I want to
Okay,
talk
you start.
about. I want to talk about the time and diet. Wait for wait for
None.
none. Yeah, yes, ma'am. I think so. Time is very, very important, essential of our life. We should not invest. We should not waste our time, as time is wait for no. We should utilize our time very wisely, because if the time is gone one, then it will not come again. You should plan your schedule day wise, very precisely, so you can time, so if you want to do many work in a day, so you have to plan very precisely, so you can do many things in a day. So I think the time is very essential, and I want to talk about the next is an idle man is a devil's workshop. Yes, it is rightly said, as if if we have no goal, or if we are doing nothing, so something, anything, mostly first always the negative things is comes our mind, so it will affect our mind and brain and our body also. So we should always be a positive person. In this pandemic, we should be positive, and do our work, and we should have some goal, so it will make our life good too, so we can learn
Okay.
many things. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. By this, I will wind up this slide, and because I have to go further. And thank you. All of you have explained well, and we have learned many things. Actually, these are very common. There are many proverbs are there in English. I have only taken few. Okay, thank you. And now I go to the next slide. Today I think that I don't know how many portions have completed, or anyone has taught this or not. And today I'm going to take this one grammar. Actually, it comes under grammar. The homophones, and the homophones means they are words with similar sound, and you can see, no?
Yeah.
What point here?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Homophones are words with similar sound, but different spelling and different meaning. So when we want to learn in English, so we have confused with this only, because there are many words, and I give you example also. Here I have written 3 words: side, and its pronunciation is same, spelling is different, and it when it is used in different context. If we take first CIT, that means it's a quotation. When we want to talk about some quotation, then we use it. He cited many examples from a Bible. And if you take this SIGHT, it's a view. It's a view. He has lost his eyesight at the age of 50. If we take the SIT, it's a local position. Then somewhat we are using the site. They want to purchase a site in Bang city only. And in the same way, I have given here, yeah, and 1 or 2 examples I have given. But now what I want here, some words I have given, and so what you have to do, I want you to make one sentences from each homophones. And I want to call who is left in the first slide. I don't know who is over. Pankaj, Udaipur is there. Pankaj not there. Am I audible?
Yes,
Yes,
Are you
ma'am, you are
listening?
audible.
Yes,
Are you
ma'am.
listening
yes,
or
yes,
not?
sir. Yes,
Yes,
Pankaj,
yes,
very
you are
good.
audible.
We are listening. Yeah.
Pankaj
Yeah.
not here, ma'am.
Pankaj
May
is
I,
not
ma'am?
there.
Yeah.
Okay, okay, okay.
May I, ma'am?
Who is Shubhashri madam, Ruchi madam?
Y-
Who is?
Yeah, I want to say one homophones.
Okay, okay, okay. You take. Okay.
I am writing in my right hand. Right and right.
It is not here. Right and right. No,
Okay,
I have given no your chart. If the chart you can see. No, it's visible. No, I shown one
yeah.
chart.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah,
you are
visible.
okay. You are saying I have to choose from here.
Yeah. You have to choose from here only.
Okay. Then okay. Then human body cell consists of 75% of water. I want to sell my mobile.
Yeah. Cell and
Yeah.
cell. No.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
So,
Okay.
ma'am,
Good.
may I?
Okay. Kinjal.
So, no, this is Papia here, ma'am.
Papia. Okay. But
Yes,
no. Your this one picture is not. I can't see any picture. Okay. Let it.
Yeah, so
Okay,
actually,
Papia, madam.
yeah. So today our maid is not came, so I have to make the food.
Yeah. Okay. Very good. Then.
Ma'am, may I?
Okay. Who?
If
Yogesh
you,
Mishra.
yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay. If you allowed me, so I read aloud.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. See how
I would like to
talent you are. No, your different ideas are coming. Okay. Then
I would like to try, ma'am.
Parmar. Okay.
My maid made delicious food.
Yeah, my maid makes delicious.
Made delicious
My maid
food.
made delicious food. Okay. Yeah. Then.
Ma'am, may I?
Okay.
A loud sound not allowed here means prohibited.
A loud sound?
A loud sound not
allowed here. Not allowed here. Then what can I do?
So
you can also say slowly.
Cannot make any sound here.
Then I shall not make any sound. No, it's not allowed. Okay,
Yeah.
thank you.
Can I make
Then anyone is left, they can take the chance, because no one's here. I can't see any picture or I can't see anyone's photo, so I can't call you.
You can go to the participants list. Then you can see
Participants. Yeah. Where it is participant list? Where can I get?
So you are using laptop, so Yogesh sir can tell.
Okay.
I am using mobile, so that's why I
Hello,
don't
are
know
you
where it
using
is
a
in
laptop,
the laptop.
Jai madam?
Yeah, sir. Where
Just
it
below,
is?
below your screen, you can see mute, start video, then participants.
In mobile also there is a option, participants option.
There is a image of two people like that, and participants, chat, share screen, poll, stop, like that.
16 participants are there, sir. Yes.
Yeah, but
click on
there
that.
I can.
No, click on that, then you can see participants.
Names of the participants you can see.
Here, no, I can't see. Okay, let it be.
Bottom.
So,
we all are here to try.
Okay, sir. Okay. So please, you have to come for yourself. I don't call. Here, Milan Parmar is there. Yes, he's showing his face. Yes. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello, Parmar sir.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Good
I'm here.
evening.
Good evening. Good evening. How are you?
I am fine, ma'am. Ma'am, may I?
Okay, okay. It's your turn.
Yes, ma'am. Many roads are available on road.
Many roads are available on road. Sir, its meaning is different. ROAD road, ROAD, it's right, its past tense is road.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Road.
Yes.
What you said? What you said, sir?
Ma'am, I want to say that after the broken road, road, a piece of road are available on road.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Then, Anuj sir?
Hi, ma'am.
Okay.
Hi, ma'am.
Okay. Anyone can.
My grandfather. Okay. Okay. I'm Kinjal, ma'am.
Okay, Kinjal, tell.
My grandfather used road when he walking on a road. My grandfather used road when he walking on a road.
Okay.
My
Who wants to? Anuj sir, okay.
Sir, ma'am, can I
I've
make
done.
Vaishali?
Yeah. Now I'm showing again here groups of homophones. Yes, you can take anyone. You can see, no? It's visible, no? Is it visible?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Who wants to tell?
Sorry, ma'am, may I?
Okay.
Yeah. So I have to take my father's help to go further in my life.
Father. Yes, it is not father, it's a father. Yes, okay.
Okay.
Ma'am, may I?
Okay.
Ma'am, may I?
Okay.
I am here to hear you. I am here to hear you.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome, ma'am.
Then
Ma'am, Vaishali, I'm Vaishali.
Vaishali, okay. You can do.
Me and my dear friend watched a
પ્રેઝન્ટેશન કેવું રહે એમ કહ્યું એ આપણે ક્લાસમાં આવતો હતો પહેલા
Okay.
મારા વિશે કંઈક કહો એમને બનાવ્યું હતું
There is some sounds.
Ma'am.
Okay, sir.
Ma'am, the wand after 9 p.m.
Where it is?
Ma'am, after the wand.
Which one you have? Blind.
Wand, B